Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the ICAI CA-GPT. As we are nearing the tax filing return date, we will ask CA-GPT what all documents are required to file the return. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. Here I have the CA-GPT page opened in my Google Chrome. Now I will log in here with my credentials. So now I have logged into the CA GPT and here I can see the list of all the GPTs available. Now let's navigate into the Direct Taxes Committee GPT. So here we have opened the ICAI Direct Taxes GPT. So here I will give the following prompt. What documents are required to file an ITR? Give the list of documents for each of the 5 different sources of income. Let's see what answer we will get. So now we have received the answer from CA GPT regarding the list of documents required to file an ITR. As you can see, the CA GPT has given us the different list of documents required for each of the different 5 sources of income. So let's go through what are these documents. So first, let's see what all documents are required while filing ITR for income from salary. So the first document is Form 16. Issued by the employer. It contains details of salary paid and TDS deducted. Next document is salary slip, monthly salary statements. Then we need bank statement showing salary credits. The next document is investment proof for claiming deductions like LIC, PPF, etc. The next document is rent receipts for claiming HRA. Next, we will see what documents are required while filing ITR regarding income from house property. First is the rental agreement, if the property is rented out. Next is the rent receipt as a proof of rent received. Next is interest certificate for home loan interest paid. And then as a proof of property tax paid, municipal tax receipts. Next, in case any construction has been taken place, pre-construction interest certificate. Now we will see as to what documents are required while filing an ITR for income from business or profession. First is the profit and loss statement to show the detailed list of income and expenses. Next, we have the balance sheet to show the financial position of the business. The next is Form 26AS, that is the tax credit statement. Next, we have the bank statement to show the business transaction. Next, statement required is sales and purchase invoice. Next, in case section 44AB is applicable, then the audit report will also be required. Now we will see what documents are required while filing ITR for income from capital gains. First, we have the purchase deed. Next, we have the sale deed. Then the broker's note. the share or securities are sold. Then investment proof in case the assessee wants to claim deduction under section 54 or 54F, etc. Next are the bank statements showing credit of sale proceeds. Now we will see what documents are required while filing ITR for income from other sources. First is the interest certificate from banks and post offices. Next we have dividend statements from companies or mutual funds. Next is lottery or gift receipts as a proof of winning or gift received. Next is rental income proof, if any, from other sources. So rental income other than house property will come under other sources. Next is Form 26A, that is tax credit statement. So each of this document helps to ensure accurate reporting of income and claiming of eligible deduction, which in turn helps in correct computation of taxable income and tax liability. So in today's video, we had a walkthrough of the ICAI CA GPT, and we also learned what all documents are required to file an ITR. If you found this video informative, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.